Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the lens, sensors, and battery. A weak cell gives slow response. Once done, power the helmet on and set the shade to match amperage. For example, pick shade 10 for 80-150 amps, because correct darkness protects your eyes and keeps visibility. Next, tighten the headband and adjust tilt so the lens centers over your line of sight and sits roughly 1/2 to 1 inch from your brow. Make sure sensors face the work and are free of debris. You now fine-tune sensitivity and delay. Sensitivity controls sensor responsiveness, so set it lower in bright shop light and higher for low-amp TIG work because faint arcs need more sensitivity. Once adjusted, pick delay. A short delay for tack welds keeps you from lingering in dark, while a longer delay protects your eyes from lingering bright plasma during heavy welds. Make sure grind or clear mode is enabled when you need passive protection without auto-darkening. Test each setting with a quick arc to confirm behavior. You complete the process by lowering the helmet smoothly and starting the arc. Maintain a consistent angle so sensors see the arc and the lens darkens uniformly. If darkening lags or flashes through, stop and tweak sensitivity or shade. A higher shade or greater sensitivity fixes intermittent dimming. After finishing, flip helmet up, inspect and clean the outer lens and sensors, replace damaged covers, and store in a cool place. Troubleshooting tip: if helmet fails to darken at all, check battery and sensor obscuration first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.